If you are like me, and I know that you are, we have been waiting and waiting and waiting for something to happen in the Murdaugh case. Like, I don't know, arrest Becky Hill, because that hasn't happened and it should have. But now the state has come in and asked for additional time to respond to the defense's brief in the Supreme Court appeal. Now, they've already had a long time, and they're asking for another 120-day extension to get them into August. That will be a whole year that they've had to respond to this brief, to file anything with the state Supreme Court. If the Supreme Court does grant this second extension, that would be an unprecedented amount of time for anybody to respond to a brief in the Supreme Court. Now, the state says, hey, there's a lot of evidence here. There are many hearings, and the transcript was over 6,000 pages long, and we need to make sure that we have all of our ducks in a row. And the defense is coming in and saying, not so fast. You got 90 different attorneys. Why isn't anybody working on this? And hey, you didn't even request the transcript until March of this year. So what have you been doing over there? Now, they've also said that you know this appeal is about to be granted, so you are just holding on and delaying justice for Alec Murdaugh because you know he's about to get a new trial, and thereby prejudicing him in his new trial because witnesses get lost, die, memories fade, all of those things. So they're fighting real hard against this extension of time. In the meantime, they're asking the same question that we've all been asking. Why hasn't Becky Hill been arrested? And why haven't you prosecuted her son? And why haven't you prosecuted cousin Eddie? What the hell is going on? Why the delay? You moved real fast into a trial, but now we have this tremendous delay on the appeal. And it's a good appeal. So do they know that it's about to be granted? And are they stalling? I don't know. I do know that this is a huge office. Alec Murdaugh has 4 attorneys. Those attorneys managed to file their brief in a reasonable amount of time. And the Attorney General's office has had a long time, 6 months, to respond to their brief. And it's on case law that they've already argued in court. They already know this case law. Now, more needs to be done, I'm sure. But they do have 90 different attorneys working in there. And they also have the ability to outsource to other attorneys if needed. But they haven't done that. So will the Supreme Court grant it? I don't know. But I don't think they should. It's time to see some movement on this case.